Meet Sarah, Director of Operations at a $15 million industrial wholesale business. Like you, she's caught in the middle of tariff chaos. Distributors are losing up to 7.6% in margins due to ineffective tariff management. Every day, Sarah faces three critical breaking points. First, inconsistent vendor notifications. Some suppliers add tariff as a separate line item. Others build them into unit costs without disclosure. Second, Sarah's ERP system wasn't designed for today's volatile tariff environment. Third, her sales team lacks the tools to explain price increases. This puts valuable customer relationships at risk.
If any of these sound familiar, you are not alone. That's why we create a practical workshop specifically for mid-size distributors like you.
This workshop is based on our real-world implementations with distributors just like yours, a method specifically designed for wholesalers with limited IT and financial resources. In this practical 45-minute workshop, you'll discover which products truly need your attention, practical ERP workarounds that don't require expensive customization, clear communication templates to maintain customer relationships even during tariff chaos, and a phased action plan that aligns with your entire team. With a practical implementation roadmap, each department knew exactly what to do and when. Within short order, Sarah's company recovered 70% of their margin erosion, while their competitors continued to struggle with emergency workarounds. Join us on June 11th for From Tariff Chaos to Control, 5 steps every wholesaler must take now. Register now and receive a complimentary consultation with our CEO.
Secure your spot today.